guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this XXXTENTACION tray. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to find out how I made it. When spray painting, you want to make sure it's in a well-ventilated area, that you wear a mask, and you don't do it inside. Make sure you do it in a garage or outside like I do. These trays dry completely in 24 hours, so I like to leave them overnight. For these vinyl decals, I bought the SVG files on Etsy, and then I just used my Cricut machine and some black vinyl to cut them out. This tray was a gift for someone special, so I decided to include 2 little butterflies because butterflies to me hold very deep and special meaning, and I also wanted to keep it simple, not do too much, and I added a little bit of glitter to the resin. Then you just want to make sure with your popsicle stick that you smooth it all out and it's nice and evenly distributed. After that, I like to use my heat gun and just pop any air bubbles that you may get. This tray turned out so sparkly and beautiful. I actually wanted to make an X tray since a long time ago. He's always going to be one of my favorite artists. I love how spiritual he was, and he was way ahead of his time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll leave you guys with one of my favorite quotes by him. Because I truly believe that no matter what you do, if it's coming from a genuine place, then it will prosper.